Hey guys, today I'm gonna be customizing Christmas gifts and then surprise my loved ones and strangers on the street with them. So let's get started. Custom shoes for my brother first. He's 16 and his favorite cartoon is Ninja Turtles. I will use special leather paints Angelus brand. I bet you didn't expect that I can even do this. I've never done this in socks before, but I think it's turned out really great. Don't you agree? I'm really pleased with the design. Just look at these details. Rate it from 1 to 100 in comments. I bought this beautiful bracelet for my mom and put extra effort for the design. Would you give something like this to your mom? sister so much, so I decided to draw ours on her sweatshirt, so she never forgets about me. I'll use a special fabric paints. Unfortunately, everyone except my boyfriend lives in another country, so I asked my sister to deliver all my gifts when she comes home and capture their reaction on video. I was running out of time before her leaving and I didn't sleep all night, but I did it on time. And now try to guess in comments who gets the rest of the gifts. And now let's see my family's reaction to the gifts. Yeah, and she's for my brother. He told me he likes Ninja Turtles, so let's see his reaction. I think he's still sleeping. He don't understand what's going on. Favorite K-pop group on socks for her. Oh my gosh, she's crying too. Sweetie. Okay, the next one. Okay. Yes, I decided to treat myself to a new iPhone because I need much more storage than I have now. So let's open it. Actually, it's been a couple of days and I think that I'm already forgetting about how it looks like. So let's open it. Oh my god, it's pretty cool. Wow! Really? One of the best customs is for me. It's pretty cool. I'm super happy. I know it's special for my sister. I'm actually curious about her reaction. Can she recognize us? Oh my god. Let's see how it looks on her. I miss my family so much. Hey, Merry Christmas! This is for you.
Thank you so much.
Take a look.
Wow! Thank you so much. This is so pretty.
My mom and niece started crying. Oh my god, I can't believe it, really. It seems like they all love their presents, but now let me know in comments which present and reaction is your favorite. I love my mom's and niece reactions, really. This is brilliant reaction. And this is the PlayStation 5 that I will customize and give to my boyfriend for Christmas, but in the next video. I've only recently started making long videos for YouTube, and I really need your support. So you can support me in comments and go on my channel and watch other videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.